Good morning students. How are you all? Students, today's our topic is capital cursive F. Capital cursive F. This is our capital F. This is our capital F and this is our small cursive F. Now today we will learn about capital cursive F. Okay? So please look at the board. We will start from this line. Curve, touch, curve and small line. This is our capital cursive F. Once again, curve, straight, curve, F. Once again, curve, straight, curve, F. Once again, curve, standing line, curve, small line, small curve, straight, curve. Once again, small curve, standing line, curve, small curve, standing line, curve, small curve, standing line, curve. Okay, this is our capital cursive F. Now FLOWER, flower. FO, flower. FO, father. FATHER, father. FO, friend. FRIEND, friend. So children, please do this work. Page number 7. Page number 7. Do this work, page number 7 in your book. Thank you.